Hey there, welcome to this class on prop design. I'm Marc Brunet, and in this class we are going to tackle the world of props. So if you're an environment artist that needs to dress up your environments with some really cool structures, plants, rocks, and various objects, or if you're a character artist looking to design some awesome weapons for your characters or some props that they are going to use, this class is for you. In this course, on top of all the fundamentals of design, we are going to tackle different types of props, such as plants, structures, man-made structures, weapons, which should really make for a good sample when it comes to the world of props. I've been personally designing props for most of my life, and it's always a ton of fun, especially because of the way that it uses the fundamentals of art in a much more applied way, where it's a little bit harder to make mistakes if you follow the theory. So anyways, I can't wait to teach you all this stuff. We have a lot of content to cover, so let's get to it. I'll see you in there.